Hey superstars, it's your girl Malika, aka Miss Magic, back with another video. Today I'm going to give my client a curly ponytail, something she saw in a picture. But first, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button for me, give me a big thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you can be alerted when I do post another video. She is heat trained. Her hair is fully natural, but she has a bob, so we kind of heat train it so that it can stay straight. But today, she's been, well, not just today, she's been doing protective styles like ponytails just to keep it up, which is a good way to grow out your hair. If you put your hair up, forget about it, it'll just grow. Here I'm just trimming her undercut. Undercut is very good for a person who has thick hair and they're growing it out. It was coming from short. So basically undercut is just shaving off the back underneath there. That way if they wear it up in a ponytail, you don't have to worry about the beady beads showing or anything, popping out. You just cut that off until it grows all the way down over that. And then once it grows down over that, we'll grow that undercut out. Now I'm just going ahead and mold her hair up into the ponytail, and then we'll get started on actually doing the ponytail process. Alright guys, this is the final look. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me, give me a big thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you can be alerted when I do post another video. Hope to see you guys in past, present, and future videos. Love you guys. Bye.